Welcome to our immigration reform video. Stay tuned for insights ahead. Today, we'll discuss what immigration reform truly means for society. Immigration is a transformative journey affecting millions worldwide each year. Current immigration policies face immense scrutiny and calls for comprehensive reform. Why reform? The aim is to improve fairness, efficiency, and security. Proposed changes include paths to citizenship and modernized visa processes. These steps hope to align with global human rights and economic growth. Challenges faced are political opposition, cultural tensions, and resource allocation. Understanding these challenges helps in addressing them effectively through dialogue. A reformed system could help families unite and economies flourish robustly. Join me in supporting meaningful change for brighter futures worldwide. This video is sponsored by www.2tv.store, your gateway to global content.